Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at the top cases that I have right now in my arsenal for the all-new iPad Pro 11-inch model. Let's check them out. Here I have a total of 6 cases for the all-new iPad Pro, the 11-inch model. I'm not going to try each case on because I've done reviews for all of them. I'm just going to tell you which ones I think are going to be the best for your buck. And just because I'm able to have all of them right here at one time, I think this will be a good setting for that. Now, the first one I'm going to talk about, this one is the TURTLESKIN from Poetic. A nice rubberized shell. It's just a sleeve. It's just a slim little case. Doesn't have a front protection. Doesn't give you a lot of flash, but it is going to protect the corners of that iPad. It's going to protect the back of that iPad, and it's going to allow you to get that sound amplification as the sound comes through those little sleeves. So that'll be, I have 6 here, so that'll be my number 6 choice. My number 5 choice, this one is from TOOVREN. This one is a sleeve. Now, the great thing about this one is it's going to protect the whole iPad. It does not have any padding or anything though, and your pencil is going to slide in there. Only drawback is your pencil is going to jiggle. This originally was made for the 10.5 and the old school iPad pencil generation 1. This fits 10.5, 9.7, and it fits the 11-inch Pro. So if you buy this, you're going to actually be able to cover 3 tablets in one. Cool thing about this one is it folds up and allows that to be a stand. So you get a lot of different features, a lot of cool features. Hand-stitched leather-like material is going to come in handy when you're out on the go, when you need to do some typing. You're just going to be able to stand your tablet up and do whatever you need to do. So this is my number 5 pick for the ones that I have right now. Coming in at number 4, in the number 4 spot, this is the Spigen Standfolio. This one is more aimed towards your business professional. Has a magnetic clasp, front pocket. It's going to offer you protection on the front, on the inside. It's going to offer you a hard layer protection on the back. Actually has a handle right here that you're going to be able to fold up your tablet. Place your hand right there. And if you guys want to see demonstrations on any of these tablets, I've done reviews on all of them just to let you know. But this one is my number 4 right now. My number 3, boom, here we go, Poetic. They make a really nice case. It lacks a little bit of protection just because there is no hardness to this. Your tablet's going to slide in here. It's going to Velcro shut behind it. And that's pretty much it. This one does support sleep wake. Go check out my review if you look at that one below. It's going to support sleep wake, different orientations, and it actually has this nice rubber band that's going to hold your front shut since it is not magnetic. So this one would be my number 3 pick. Number 2, coming in, very protective case. UAG is known, a good company. They are known for making these protective cases. It is not magnetic. It is going to give you several orientations of standing. It does not support auto sleep wake or Apple charging while holding the tablet closed. The magnet is a little weak on the back, but it gets the job done. Nice rubberized shell on the outside, rubberized front, and the edges are nice and rubber and hard. So you're going to be able to get a lot of protection out of this device, but you lose auto sleep wake and the ability to carry your pencil, sync, and charge at the same time. But UAG has promised me that they have another case coming, and it will be way better than this one, something to even rival my number 1 case, my number 1 pick. And my number 1, you all know it. You all know and love this one. This is the Otterbox Symmetry Series 360. I can't say enough about this case. I really love this case. Has the nice clear back so I can see my iPad through there. It has the metallic shine to it. It has the gray color. It has the front that's going to cover my pencil while it's charging and syncing on the side. What more can I say? It's going to offer me a nice rubberized edge all the way around. Auto sleep wake. It supports Apple charging with the pencil. Everything that you could need is in this case. Premium design by a premium company. All companies are great, but this one is my number one. So hope this is able to help someone make up your mind. Like I said, I'll leave links below to all these reviews and some comparisons. But for now, until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.